In this video, I want to guide you to delete a blank page that refuses to be deleted on Microsoft Word. Here are the page that I want to delete. Now I've tried so many options to delete this, but yet it cannot be deleted. So in this video, in less than 30 seconds, you are good to go. So if you find this tip helpful at the end, please do subscribe to this channel. All I have to do is to come to this place, click on it, then come to the home button, click on the home button. Where you see this button, paragraph option, click on it. Once you do this paragraph option, now it takes you everywhere you've entered a new paragraph on this Word document. Now to delete this, so move your mouse to this place here. Let's say from here now, then hit the enter button as many times as possible until you are out of this page. Now you can see now. Then highlight from here down to the last page, then delete button. Once you do that, guys, then this will be deleted. You see that that page has been deleted after you've highlighted it. And don't forget, once you've done that, come back to this paragraph option, click on it to take away the paragraph. Now we've been able to delete that blank page from this. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.